number one, very high frequency transceiver. So same thing with the other VHF, which we use for communicating on other vessels and stations, and VTS, vessel traffic services. This is the one, and this is the glass heater control. Our glass is controlled with some heater also, so we control from here. This means like when it's getting cold outside, cold outside and warm outside and cold inside, so it creates a fog, so we use the heater. It will balance the temperature because we can see clearly. Okay, dimmer boarded light. This is dimmer boarded light. This is the red light. Okay, so much. Distress alert received. When we receive a distress alert or message, alarm will come on this panel. Dimmer, mute, alarm, and all. And then this is same like distress alert received call unit. Just alert resetting from alarm here. Also another important thing is navigational light control panel and the signal light control panel. So this navigational light is the one which is for navigation, the board and starboard, red and green, the anchor light, the mast light, which is the white one, and then the not under command lights, and you see aft light, stern anchor lights. During anchorage you have to switch this on. For navigations, mainly is our mast light, side lights, port and starboard, aft mast lights because we have two mast lights, and stern lights. Okay, and these are for the normal lighting on deck, accommodations, hatch, forward stations, aft stations, and all.
GMDSS.
Let's go here. GMDSS. Okay, GMDSS. So this is the Inmarsat C terminal. Also, our using for our long range terminal. Okay. Now, since we are on nav area 6.
Ocean area?
Sir?
Which ocean area?
Ocean area. We are on ocean area. Here showing Indian Ocean area.
But we are already coming the Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah. Okay, and then go to the designated nav areas. In designated nav areas, you will see the
Ocean region.
ocean region. We go change.
Western.
Okay, change now. Okay, but this is set automatic, sir.
Okay. So this, what is this?
Which one? This is the MFHF DSC controller. These are the one we are listening for DSC messages, important distress messages, and from post stations also. And we